In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set time on Hisense SC remote. Okay, so currently it's set to 1924. Okay, and I'm going to set this to 1830 for illustrative purposes so that you can understand how to set time on this remote. So this is what you have to do. First of all, you're going to see the option of this clock button. Okay, so press the clock button. Then the timing option is actually going to start blinking. So 24 is minutes, 19 is hours. So we're interested in 1830. Make sure before you change, the timing option is blinking. So again, press the clock option, then 1830. We're going to decrease this until it reaches 1830. Okay. Yes, you have to be patient as you do that. Okay. 1830. When you reach the time that you want, press clock button. Okay. Now that is the set time, which is now 1830. Okay.